Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google Pixel 9 family's Tensor G4 chipset won't be a huge upgrade. Samsung hypes the Galaxy Z Flip as a great police bodycam. Apple allegedly shuts down Tata's potential partnership with Vivo. Vistara introduces complimentary 20 minutes Wi-Fi on international flights. Reddit CEO says Microsoft needs to pay to search the site. Google Photos could get show more option for faces in memories. Intel's Lunar Lake PC chipsets to be launched in September and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you to name a new feature of WhatsApp, and the answer is Double Tap Quick Reaction feature. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is the latest feature of X? Think you know the answer. We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We will reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you get it right. Good luck, tech enthusiast, and don't forget to comment with your answer. The Tensor G4 chipset powering the Pixel 9 family is expected to have minimal improvements over its predecessor, the Tensor G3. The G4 will feature an 8-core CPU with 1 Cortex X4, 3 Cortex A720 and 4 Cortex A520 cores. This is a reduction from the G3's configuration of 1 Cortex X3, 4 Cortex A715 and 4 Cortex A510 cores. Single-core performance is anticipated to improve by about 11% due to the Cortex X4. Multi-core performance is only expected to increase by around 3% owing to the reduction of one core. Aimed at managing thermals and power consumption, the Exynos 5300 modem in the G3 was a significant power consumer. The G4 will feature the Exynos 5400 modem, which promises up to 50% more efficiency and supports satellite connectivity. A variant of the Pixel 9, possibly the Pixel 9a, may still use the Exynos 5300 modem. Next, Samsung has promoted the Galaxy Z Flip as a useful tool for police authorities, highlighting its compact and foldable form factor. Police departments in Missouri participated in a pilot program using the Z Flip as body-worn cameras. The Z Flip devices used by police were customized with Visual Lab software, allowing features like remapping the volume button to start recordings and automatic video uploads to the cloud. The Z Flip also serves as a digital camera for crime scene evidence, an audio recorder for interviews, and a GPS locator for tracking officers. The program has been extended to 25 metro police departments across 5 states, showing the device's versatility in law enforcement. Apple reportedly intervened to prevent Tata Group from acquiring a majority stake in Vivo India's business. The potential acquisition by Tata was seen as a conflict of interest since Tata is a key manufacturing partner for Apple, producing products including iPhones in its Karnataka factory. Vivo was seeking to sell 51% of its Indian subsidiary to Tata Group to comply with Indian government pressures for more localized operations. The deal was paused allegedly due to Apple's intervention, highlighting concerns over strategic interest and competition. Tata Group owns a factory part of Apple's supply chain, making a substantial partnership with a competitor like Vivo problematic for Apple. Vistara, the joint venture between Tata and Singapore Airlines, has announced a groundbreaking feature for its international flights: 20 minutes of free Wi-Fi. This makes Vistara the first Indian airline to offer such a benefit, enhancing the travel experience for passengers. The complimentary Wi-Fi will be available to all passengers regardless of their cabin class. This initiative allows travelers to stay connected during their journey, which is especially useful for those who wish to purchase extended Wi-Fi plans. After the initial 20-minute free access, passengers can opt to extend their Wi-Fi session. They can purchase these extended plans using Indian credit or debit cards, facilitating seamless connectivity throughout the flight. The Wi-Fi service is offered on Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner and Airbus A321 Neo aircraft. These modern planes are equipped with the technology to support in-flight Wi-Fi, providing a comfortable and connected journey. Reddit CEO Steve Huffman has called on Microsoft and other companies to pay for scraping Reddit's data. Huffman criticized companies like Microsoft, Anthropic, and Perplexity for using Reddit's data without agreement. Reddit updated its robots TXT file in early July to block web crawlers without agreements. This change resulted in Reddit results disappearing from search engines like Bing, which did not have agreements in place. Microsoft has been using Reddit's data to train its AI and summarize content in Bing results without informing Reddit. Reddit's data was also sold through the Bing API to other search engines, leading to tensions between the companies. Next, we have Google Photos is testing a Show More option for faces visible in memories, allowing users to have more control over the faces they see in auto-generated memories feed. This feature will be accessible under the People and Pets category in Collection. Offering a personalized experience, users can select a face and choose the Show More in Memories option from the three-dot menu. Additionally, users can hide certain faces from memories, providing more control over their photos feed. The new feature simplifies the process of hiding specific faces, making it easier compared to the old method. At last, Intel's Lunar Lake chipsets are aimed at ultrabooks and other low-power mobile devices, marking Intel's first chip architecture specifically designed for this purpose. The launch event is scheduled for September 3rd ahead of IFA. Intel claims significant efficiency improvements with Lunar Lake featuring on-package LPDDR5X memory and updated architecture for CPU, GPU, and NPU. The chips are designed to be highly efficient, potentially surpassing the competition in low power performance. Both chiplets in Lunar Lakes are being manufactured by TSMC, with Intel providing the forwards packaging. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.